Now here's how to fix the creaking, squeaking sound of the MacBook Pro 2010. Let's start by hearing the noise. To fix the issue, find a safe place to open your MacBook Pro using a Phillips screwdriver. Remove all 10 screws. You will find that the three top right screws are longer than the others. Now gently pull the back cover away. From there you'll see in the center, just below the memory, a black grounding bar which has two spring-loaded pins that make contact with the back cover. So as to why it does the sound, well, in my case, I upgraded the memory, and by opening and closing the back cover, it is not as tight as it used to be. Now to fix this issue, you can remove the grounding bar, or what I did in my case is locate the contact points on the back cover, use a piece of electrical tape and cover them. Now put the cover back, ensure it has a tight fit, and check those three longer screws on the top right, and put the screws back in a X shape. Now it's time to test, see if that fixes the problem. Now you're done, enjoy a squeak-free MacBook Pro. These modifications may void your warranty. Consult your Apple support technician before opening your MacBook Pro.